Here's some of my airplane collection, and these are some sketches. I bought these in Mooresville, North Carolina. The artist there, he does a lot of NASCAR stuff, but he did a great job on these. Of course, that's P-38 Lightning, P-51 Mustang, and that is a B-29 bomber, and that is a nice Navy plane right there. That is a Corsair. And got a couple hanging up here. If anybody knows who that is, I'll be surprised. That car right there is Fireball Roberts. It's a Liberator up there. Hornet. That in the back. That's Fairey Jet, which after they crashed in the swamp, they changed their name to Airtran. It's an old United 10 toy from Japan. Another nice Navy plane there. P-51 Mustang. And I believe that right there is a Hellcat. Know if anybody remembers Piedmont Airlines, and there's a 747. That's Northwest there. And here we got a SR-71 Blackbird, which I actually got to see one of those up in Dulles. And that's a DC-3. That's a Goonie Bird. That's what it's kind of like an old-timey C-130. That's another P-38 Lightning right there. Blue Angels. This is what I dealt with more than anything else when I was in the Navy. C-130. So I got some small ones up here too. That's actually a Starfighter. That's a very cool Air Force plane right there. That's a Viking. It's an A6. I used to work this very plane right here, so focusing very well. That's a 727-200 series. That's a Kitty Hawk. They used to fly anything. British Airways, DHL, American Airlines, another Blackbird, and actually one of my favorite planes, Japanese Zero. So, and I dealt with plenty of these right here. That would be a UPS plane right there. And of course right here got its competitor, FedEx. So that's about it for my plane collection right there. I also have here, I got the Air Force One, which I actually bought up in DC. That was my Navy class, a lot of cool people in that class. So, oh yeah, down here I got a few things too. I like anything military. And that's an Apollo 11 patch. And back there I got the first lunar landing, 1969. Air Force Jeep.